abuza ukhona wenza ukuzisa
phansi ngesithembu phansi i-conversation mina ayikhumbula ifika lapho wena nje wangisukela wathi zomlobola
sasiphume ekhaya like after sesiphumile ekhaya sijoyina umain road imoto yami gave us a sign ukuthi my bro ama-brake akho they are finished nombuzo kade uthi amabhozo azomenywa yini
yami ngicabanga ukuthi mina lento yamalobolo ngingayifanisa nje ne-birthday like money makes women happy
you know ngifana ney'ngane ey'ncane
ngoba ngiphi ingane kodwa lalelani
abayibona
bangibula athiwa dodakazi uyabazi abantu we took izamba lezo babeyiphethe like in cash mention ukuthi vele ubuqala kuyihlekimiza oyiqalayo nje fresh ungakazi thi
Circles isona sasicuphi manje sengithathile yazi she has a very positive learning spirit
is how did the lobola change your relationship with umyeni i-range ka-100 no-80 100k guys buka ukuthi sihleli kwama-subscribers amangani manje ku-YouTube thina lapha eDubai here we come habibi my baby sawubona bhoza yami unjani I hope right igama lami nguMandisa wakwaKheswa Sibongo oganele kwaZondi namhlanje bhoza yami angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nomyeni wami
umyeni igama lakhe ukhalihle wakaZondi nondaba oluqa ugagashi
guys today we have come with a different video sithe nje asizophendula imibuzo yenu regarding our lobola negotiations which just happened last month
mhla ka-20 December 2025
yes and we asked you guys ukuthi nisibuze the question anonymously so asazi ukuthi ubani ubuzani nibe free nani ukuthi
nisibuze but ngathi benseni-over expressa because you said the video will be strictly about lobola negotiations
khona abanye abantu abathe ukuthi but sozama soyiphendula eminye yabona nani we're super excited this video izobe imnandi guys imibuzo yenu were really interesting and I think if you are planning on ukuyolobola or nawe unesifiso sokulotsholwa or you want to know more about the lobola negotiations I think kuningi ozokufunda kule video.
You don't have to take what we say. It's our experience, ne?
Yes.
So yes. That thing is not cast in stone. This is our experience, so
exactly. Guys, kusagusha Nkosi yami. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. I do a lot of videos where I share and document imicimbi, a traditional. I document izinto when I go imshado esiZulu and those videos do very well with the channel. We even have a vlog that speaks about me going for virginity testing. So if you enjoy content ekanjalo and many more because I also do lifestyle vlogs, pranks there and there. If you enjoy content ekanjalo, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the family. If you're new here, press on the subscribe button and join the Maposa squad. And if you are already a subscriber, when are we? Like I live into Posa ngiyacela ungakhohlwa and we do not skip ads because igona uletha ukudla. Yeah. So the first question, guys, without wasting any time, it is when and how did you guys meet? Yeah.
We every video on this channel.
Yes.
Always how did we meet? But sweet and simple. We met on an Instagram live back in 2021.
We met on the internet, guys.
On
Instagram. Imagine. Now we are married.
Internet.
Stop ignoring those DMs.
But
and then the next question is, this question is dedicated to Kay. They are asking, when did you decide that you are going to marry her and how did you then prepare for it mentally, financially, and also spiritually?
Okay. The answer to this question as a machita, it's supposed to be a decision or it's a tie. Doesn't have to be a feeling where it's supposed to be a decision. It's okay, mina as a caliphate zone. Saying it, uthatha umntwana wabantu ngimlethela ekhaya. And for start ukuthi financial prepare kanjani ukuthi ube lapho. Iphakethe lakho alibuka. Ubone ukuthi ingakanani. Ubone ukuthi iziphi izinto onganciphisa khona uzobeka eqhongobezela. Nanokuthi after uselotsholile usisi singabe senikhala ukuthi imali ihambe namalobola nani akuqhubeka nje
sawazi nokudla ice cream thiwa
imali isalekini yawukuze kuphela unyaka kuthi imali lokhu isalekini so for that kufanele ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ephaketheni you are okay for both of you because mansajola like you might be okay for both of you but when a priority as it's all to ukuthi imali yakho uzisebenzisa wena ngendlela yakho ethandayo uzomfeatureisha here and there but masimshadile njengamanje awusamfeatureish sekuyimali sefanele le mali isifeature like ayenza izinto za like now uyamfaka you understand so mentally ifinance ihambisana nengqondo ukuthi ke mina ke zikhwelihle zonke sengiredi ukuthi manje ngithathe umfazi ukuthi manje sakhesa ngithathe kube one and then spiritually
yes
okay spiritually ukuthi hey umfazi uyacela it can be emadlozini it can be emkhulekweni but umfazi uyacela so you just need to pray about it kungabi into nje ibukela but you just have to pray about it ukuthi umtholo umfazi wakazi because into fanele uyazi umshado uyatshontsha abafazi bayatshontsha umshado but wena fanele ukucela yabo ukuthi uzokuthola unkosikazi wakazi and mase efikile futhi uNkulunkulu mase kulethele yona yombona mina ngilethele nangu uNkulunkulu yabo.
So the next question is, how did Umfana officially tell you that he is going to Lobola, and was it through that letter you read in the YouTube videos? It wasn't a matter of surprise. I don't know about it. We've spoke about it numerous times. I've teased him. When are you coming ekhaya? And you're a joke to have extended one surprise and I told into conversation, pressure. It was there. Not only from me, Nangim pressure Risha, where I asked him, would see how babe. See when are we getting serious? But also from my family on my side. So just a quick story. Umfana and I, when we were dating 2021, there was a time, Gintombi at that time, and there was a time where I didn't sleep ekhaya, but this time around, hey, kwase wo 2 weeks in, asase I wathi ngoba uhlala ngasekhaya sathi hey asithi la sitshontshe erumini lakho sihlale khona then uzongibuyisa ekseni eintatha mina ngibe sengikuba ngathi vele ngisekhaya uyabo angiselwanga yini hayi nekuseni sekumele ngibuyele ekhaya ngona nekuseni ngithi ngiyabuya umzali ugcwele ikhiji ngeke uma wabona lapho ukuthi ngeke ngele silala ama out. And then she took my phone only to find out some points mengenali data ngangisebenzisa ifoni yama and he was saved khona uma wabona ukuthi cha uyena lo mfana wambhalela umessage wasilalela ngo4 ntambama ngiyakudinga endaweni usuyomtshela ke wena ukuthi uyafika nani. Then they met ngalo 4 o'clock ntambama. They met namngangisaba nomfana wesaba sahlangana sonke and they spoke about very important questions.
They wanted to know ukuthi ingane yethu ngoba iyeqala ekhaya isukuyephi ufuna ukubona lo sikhotheni ingane esuke iyebona nanokuthi they had to ask ukuthi okay umfana uhlalaphi kwenzela ukuthi mase yobikwa ukuthi samacala wazi ukuthi umfana likhona yini ikhaya lakhe.
And they kept on putting the emphasis on ingane inkomo yamama siyayifuna inkomo athi nje umfana akazange nankomo and wengayazi inkosi yami wengayazi nje omayi ke wazwamnika nenani ke lokuthi how much will the nkomo of the mama be. So I think at that time uma basically like what nigga in a way like we fake trust kuwena because she even said shuthi mfana
Yes.
Mengase ngithi mina ngifone ngithi uphi umntanami
Yeah.
wena uyowazi ukuthi ukephi umntanami.
Yes.
Kwaqala kanjalo ke nake yo
Ukuthi
hlalisana. Yes, ukuhlalisana because vele sebeyazi nasekhaya ukuthi I'm with this person, they know wenzani ngempilo yakhe.
Nanokuthi
Udlalela ibhola akabhema akaphuzi ngidlela ipeppermint nje.
Mina.
So babemthanda nje ekhaya yabo. So just to give you guys that background story, I think you also needed. Bayabuza lana baby ukuthi umfana ubezocela o ubezolobola silungise lapho umnyeni.
It's not impossible.
Nami ngisakhohlwa
Not
guys.
impossible anymore.
Yeah, uthiwa ke ubuzocela o ubuzolobola ubuzokwenzani kakhetho.
Ngakwenza okubili ne.
Yes.
But uma ufika uzocela ngithatha mina ukuthi bengizocela. Uma ufika uzocela fanele ube nemadlana yokuthi yabona izinto zasesangweni oyehle emthini imali yogogo imali obanibani and then masuba nemali noma inkomo eyodwa nje uzofika uyishiya uzocela ke lapho mina ngishiya inkomo eyodwa ngishiya inkomo eyodwa ngayishiya nje yabo
Izinja madoda I think
ngisho ukuthi ubusho bendoda inkomo zayo.
I think this would be I think would be the great time for me ufaka lo mbuzo lo othi zasingaki inkomo owazikhipha noma ungasazi noma mhlawumbe like explain to amabhoza ukuthi isebenza kanjani lento enkomo because I know a lot of people don't know how it works and the question enkomo kamama ukuthi why umandisa why umkhokhela inkomo kamama they saw that in the video
so inkomo ngokwesintu inkomo ziba 11 ne
okay
kube khona inkomo kamama eyi1 iyodwa nje inkomo kamama
yes
and masube inkomo zababa zona ziba u10 but nawo nayo inkomo yakhe enkulu dedicated for yona lezi ezinye ezinani is for ukuvusa isibaya sikababa ekhaya ne so kumina inkomo kamama smart come is obvious so ile inkomo ukuthi umama ikhulisile ingane and then ingane yayiphatha kahle up until a certain age wafika nawe ezomfana inkomo leyo kamama
wayifika
ngoba sometimes mase kukhona ingane and ngayona yakho lo nkomo uyifica ngekhaya bazi inkomo ayificanga so lo nkomo usayikhuphi.
Okay baby ngicela ukucaciza just kancane for amabhoza lo line sisho ngembamba what say ngembaba so basically that means I was a virgin when I met umfana and uyena umuntu owathatha leyo nkomo uyabona wayifika leyo nkomo kamama uyayazi uyabona and also le nkomo it symbolizes virginity bengane ukhuliswa kengane nayo umama wami ke mina it also symbolizes a big thing that my family did for me which was umemulo wami so basically it's like umfana umyeni is bringing back leyo nkomo uma angenzela ngayo ukukhulisa kwami ngiyaqhubeka sena samkhosi
and then mase kuba khona leyo nkomo ngayikhokha inkomo kamama and then mase kuba khona inkomo kababa naye isamba sayo isithile nayo ngayikhokha and then ngizophakamisa ngaphezulu mase sale inkomo ezo9 ne so bathini ekhweni bathini no isifana inkomo ezo3 asiphule kuyoba inkomo for umshado kuyoba inkomo for amasi kuyoba inkomo for ifinish
ukuthi ingane mayifikile ekhaya
ingafikilanga ngoba ikhona inkomo
yakubo ihambe oseka amasi
and then mase sale inkomo ezingaki-ke manje sesiphulile sale 6 akhokha wonke lo uniform yawo so ngikwelenta iy'nkomo ey'mbili ngathi uma ngithi ngifuna ukuyiqedela bathiwa nje mfana kwahle
bathi wo
kwathiwa nje awokwahle.
Also he was advised kubo ukuthi vele intombi ayiqedwa because ngobe engazanga ezocela this is the first time his family is meeting my family yabo so they also want lobo budlelwane together ukuthi nangelinye ilanga sekuzokhokhela lezi ezinye inkomo
baby khona kube
khona conversation phela siyakha we are joining two families
so uzazofanele futhi isicele usuku lomshado khona kakheso yabo so lo suku ucela abanye abakhombi bami so sasitheni ke thina ngesikhathi sani somembezo
okay
saqedela ke lezi ezinye inkomo esele and then masuba khona lo conversation yokucela usuku lomshado. Ngicabanga sengiqedile ngendaba yenkomo.
Yeah. Ngicabanga sisuqedile singaze siyi I hope you're still enjoying this video. That popcorn is next to you. Lolo gwinya angazi yini abayidlayo enyama boss. Ama noodles angazi. How comment lapho ukuthi udlani. So the next question is, how did your parents feel when they received the letter? And kamfana, how did they feel? Kazi usuyosho ukuthi usuthatha nkosikazi. So ngicela ukuqala. So mina guys, ekhaya, vele my mother already had the idea. She's a big influence kulento lena. She's always been asking us ukuthi nini kanti nini. June, July, August, September, October, time is running. Yabo, uma wesesaba ukuthi hey labantu masibehlala bothi ungaze kuvele ngishiye ingane yabo. Yes. So it didn't come to her as a surprise when I gave her the letter. But mina guys, when I got the letter, I got 2 letters, by the way. I got 2 letters. I post up his bed to a me nkosikazi zama le ring simoba ukuthi yalingana. I'm sure the proposal yami it will go some way like that. But ngaphosela incwadi phezu kombhede kwathiwa ngibuye ogeza nje kuthiwa nazi ke incwadi. I'm like ezani incwadi manje mangithi ngiyavula ibozi iprintiwe. I'm like, babe, why are the letters printed? Isn't it something mhlawumbe lihlala nonke nomndeni abhale omunye ethi biza ngithini yabo? I thought like yeah, but yeah, wathi umfana babhala kabi kubo. So that was the excuse to letters being lona kanjalo. But I think you did get guidance ukuthi uyibhala kanjani incwadi, right? From like abantu abadala wasenda wase wakopela wena walona. So I took the letters. Umfana was in a rush, I think wawedlala ibhola or something. Wahamba wangishiya ngedwa. Ay guys, ngilungiseke ukuthi sengiyahamba ngikhaya nokuhambisa incwadi. And khona lento ethi ngeke ngivule le incwadi. Futhi incwadi ayivuliwe zazingastikiwe ngithi mina ngeke angiyifunde. Ngibeke i-camera yami lapha ngivule lapha ngithi let me read it. Hey guys, if you want to watch that video, go to my previous video. It's the Lobola video, and I have my reaction of me reading the letter. It was so beautiful, and it just felt so real, and I couldn't wait to same day, guys. 3 December 2025. Ngakhatha imoto ngashona khona ekhaya mengifika ekhaya. Ngibeke necamera futhi ngifuna ukuthola ireaction. Ma, uji, ugogo base dining. How? Ngiyabanika incwadi. Umana nje guys ovele nje wathi nje wayigoqa wajabula wayibona ukuthi iyapi lena wayigoqa yabo umuntu evele ethi lalelani it's chai asiyeke lento le asiyeke wangithatha wangibeka kamereni wathi umzali uzongisiza ke uzovala la like uma angilindanga ngisho ngize ngithi ma ngiyalotshola like I was like with the letters why ufika ukuthi yapi wanjela wathi mntanami you don't even announce it to even your closest friends. You awuyithivu. The only person that knew uma uji wayesola wayibona ukuthi uji ayiyapi naye ugogo didn't know anything after that. Umanje wayigoqa kanjalo wathi nje ngingayithivu iyamalobola awuhambe uyimemezela because ayona umcimbi abakhombi babe nokumemeza isangweni bafike as a surprise kini hayi ukuthi into yabo. Yeah. So when on your side, how did your family take it?
Okay, kumina ke family yami asesikhulile sibadala sinobhuti abadala asebesiqalela indlela. So every time our family gatherings, the first thing that they gonna say is too many ngane. That is the thing they used to say. It's too many. So nami ufika kubona ngaqala gogo kuma. So mangifika kuma uthi isalukazi sengicabanga ukuthi fanele ngiqala umndeni manje napha ngeke ngize ngifuna ukuqala kanje ukuthi ngiqale ngokuthi ngithathe umfazi yabo. Ugogo kwangibuza ukuthi ubani ke lo mfazi ke loyo ngoba phela kaze behlangana officially but bayazana. So it's very important for uma mebuza ukuthi loyo makoti ubani ngimtshene ukuthi umandisa ke somakoti kanje ngimbuze ke imbuzo relevant ngiqale nini ukujola nani ngimphenduleke. So mina gogo ke ngesimase ngithini ke gogo ngoba phela ugogo she's a spiritual person. Umuntu obonisayo umelela amaphupho nani. Mase ngithi gogo ke awuke ungisekele lento ukuthi mawulele bathini abadala. Isalukazi ngisabudala sathi hayi abadala abasho lutho. Doesn't I have if ever there was anything wrong ngalo muntu wakho lo ngabe kade ba communicate in certain way. So yeah, isalukazi sayithatha kahle lonto. Then she was very happy and then ngatshena usiswami ke futhi ke naye ngamthetha kasefe naye wamtshela ukuthi hayi no it's the right thing to do yenze lento yabo. And then ngabadala ke batshena abanye abadala ke kwafoma ke team leyo yabakhongi but ekhaya bayithatha kahle and they very happy for me yabo. So they said singathatha decision right. Ngathatha decision right. Yeah, so I can't do very happy about shame.
So people are asking Uguti, like, how much should you budget for a lobola? There's a lot of things that happen. How do you even start to budget
for a lobola?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a lesson learned nakuthina, right? Into ngangicabanga ngayo it was only about indaba yemali yenkomo. So ngangicabanga nje ukuthi mina okay mase nginemali yenkomo fine everything will be cool. Only to find out sikhona amanye ama-costa extra njengamaphi kufanele kutholakala ingubo kasi sikhona ezoba muhle. Kufanele kusola abaqophi khona bezolentuzana bezoqopha umcimbi wethu ube muhle.
Since usise
umqophisi usise content creator. Fanele i-decoration abakhongi bebe welcomed very well yabo. Zonke lezo imali lezo we didn't budget for now.
We didn't have like an idea ukuthi ziba umalini. Like siyaqala ukushada asazi ideki bomalini. So it was just us getting quotations from people and whoever.
And was sesi it sesibekile ingathi ehambile and then sesi arrange after yabo zonke lezo zinto. So but then again if ngizokwenza isibonelo for ama preparations they say ama preparations akamakoti yeke indaba yenkomo, if you can budget at least like 17 to 20 grand you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Ayiphelele but you might be fine.
So babe, what is that 20? It's like you are giving me the money, like the makoti for makoti to prepare.
Angithi yes. Ibuka angithi lento nenza no2 ne. So mkhonyana vele imali ayikhipha ile yenkomo uyayikhipha. So nalezi ezinye izinto ukuthi if ever let's say umakoti is falling short and awufuni phela na ukuthi umakoti afike uyihlamba akekho muhle ngalendlela adefisa ngayo nana umuntu wakho lo remember, you understand? So ufuna ukuthi ehlezi yabo sharp. So almost into azoyicela well chances ayizoyenza yabo uma ifuna ukuthi ibe kanje amalobola azoba ngale ndlela in terms of ama preparations.
Yeah, just to give you an idea kulo 20 I'll show you. I think people can go less. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi we were getting quotations and sasistatazela uDecember guys wonke umuntu uyashada ngoDecember, service providers are busy and fully booked. I had to get a dress and the dress I specifically wanted was done in Joburg. And people also did ask Huguti what inspired the dress. The dress is from the Xhosa traditional, it's a Xhosa traditional attire. Do you want to answer that?
Yes, Babake.
My dad is Xhosa, yes, and I just wanted to symbolize him in that sense because the whole time I was crying at some points during the lobola. Just my dad was here. Even the letter before so it was just me paying tribute to Kuyena. Yes, and the dress costed us 8,000 rands. Then I had my makeup, 750. I had by the way guys, why there was even a deco. Yes. Deco guys when they are done negotiating So, and then the beautiful Nomfundo, Sisi Deco, wasishayela amashallah. The deco was 5.8 and usisi deco just went all out, guys. Wait, then angazi cousin wakhe usisi wakhe wamtshela ukuthi hayibo, who's the client? And she's like, Umandisake. She's a big content creator and used the opportunity to advertise umsebenzi wakhe. So wasenzela umsebenzi omuhle. Fully would recommend it, guys. Futhi nje going forward mhlambe nje sisuyiqashela yena Nkosi yami umembe soyitholela ithenda lomshado throughout. Washayela sofa singabacelanga washayela amakhona. Hayibone kwaphala kwathi wakhayela ihle wasibhalela ama notes lapha wagoqa fresh flowers kwakungeve kukuhle but we wanted it small but wakwenza kwabakhulu kodwa futhi I wasn't mad. I wasn't like hayi ungakwenzi yeah futhi nanokuthi umakoti uyayithanda izinto ezinhle. And then guys abaqophi bami I had video and pictures and that all costed us 11,000 rands 11.5. So awuhlalise yonke lo mali kusayimali nje angakabali grocer ngoba phela siyamele senze igrocer phela sithenge nama cherry sichaza abakhongi sishintsha ama menu ekhaya nathi sibheka izinto yabo. So yeah it was
but for my preparations it was Benman is talking imali
esingayiplananga but I'd say there is a way to cut out those costs. One nje mase ngibuka manje mina ngiyayithanda ivideo. I believe yonke into yami kumele ibe nevideo but the pictures was there need but kumnandi ukubona umalume wami nesithombe yabo angazi it was worth it guys like ayikho into engiyikhalelayo and phandle ke kwenkomo also I think you missed out something imali lezi ezincane umfana esangweni
yes okay
yes
senibani
so thenga obhaskidi we're buying all of those things amaphinifa yini lezi zinye izinto icephu yini zonke nje lezo zinto lezo mase
preparations are cost imali ne. And then also mase kuba mina ukuthi imali amalobolo ngihlanganisa yonke with zonke lezi imali mfana esangweni imali yogogo imali yentombi kube yini ungaqamazinyo kwehle emthini wara that's sishinani ukuthi how much
you can
ngize ngisho so it was imali ethanda ukuthi xaxa before kufika kwinkomo understand so you kumele ukuthi ube ready noma kuthiwa ngibuke lento la lese uzocela lezi zinto zozenza zowu2 lezi zinto engekho part of inkomo. So ama preparations la uqala uzocela ozowenza kube khona ingobonana uzokwenza
kupheke thina ekhaya sipheke ezocela umfana emesangweni edilike emthini phinde futhi bese zolomona ngiyathungisa omunye ubikhamini
futhi ubikhamini
yabo
so it's better ukuthi uyenze masu right
especially financially. I think kumele save up to that day. And I think going forward mhlambe kuyizinto zethu omembeso ondo zonke lezo zinto lezo I think sizoplana kangconywana yabo. Someone asked, so when you gave your mother-in-law the basket gift usiko noma wenza out of love? Akulona usiko wenza out of love and nami nje ukuthi inkosi yami aphuna ama point lapha kumamezala ngibonge futhi ngoba I know mothers they have so much influence kwingane zabo ngingazi ngoma wami she has so much influence ngempilo yami and just ukumbonga nje for dedela ingane yakhe trusting me to be her new daughter and ngathi uthi ngimenzele ubasket ngafaka zonke izinto ezithandayo ngabuza koyingane zakhe uthanda noma ngafaka yeah it was just out of love. The next question Boza yami Boza, since you are loboled usuzoyovakasha kwamfana and seke vele wayovakasha and how was the experience if usuyile? So
uyisisi
Ngizolo guys because we wanted to shoot this video and we saw that question and nje it was very ibingichaza bengifuna ukuexperience
nothi ukuthi uye kagogo ngoba sobuze lo mbuzo wena
no vele kumele ngiye bekuyinto ngivele ngimele ngiyenze kanti ngabona nombuzo. I'm like, let me just go then shoot the video. So yesterday I got the chance to meet umamizala wami for the first time. Ngengasasabi were there. Hayi, nangumyeni ngantshela kabanzi.
Okay, for that has ukuthenwa ngisukela yena wathi bebazivukisa ngisobona ugogo. I'm like, sure, what's the show? Thatha ifoni. Gogo, yes. 10:30 to 11 yasho. Sizisaphuma la endlini ngapha stream.
Ngiyaqhaqhazela guys. I'm wearing ngiyakhumula ngiyaqoqa.
Lo muntu akafake makeup, lo muntu akenze lutho.
She's going there. Ugeze
fake ingubo sithi gali yephupho.
But guys, sigcina sifikile ke and Mama Mazala was so cool. Right at the end of it all, after answering all her questions, sadla kwaba mnandi nje, chill vibes. What stood out is when laba bemcela ugogo ukuthi gogo phela osesimshuthe, and Mama Mazala was like, yes, asabeni siyoshoot. I'm like, what?
Awusakazi sayithali.
Wavele nje waswaclocka it, wathi nje clock it, ngangijabuleka sathi kwaba mnandi. It was a vibe nje manga. I hope next time sihlangana it's always going to be a vibe. And yeah. Okay, someone asked a very smart question. Uyabuza la uthi, can you explain the process of ukhanjiswa kwencwadi? And ukuthi uma isifikile kaKheso, what is the next step? Nalokuthi nothumela enu kubo kwamkhwenyana is totally different process. So what happened is
just ongayibuka ngevideo lena. Incwadi kahle kahle ephuma kumina eya kumndeni waKheso. Into esho ukuthi ezumndeni akaZoni sicela ukufika lapho eKhabokini sizokwakha isihlobo esisha esumandisa Kheso kwimbali esibonile. This is the proposed date. Yabo. So sina propose date ekhaya lo ncwadi
ukuthi
propose date sicela ukuthumela abakhongi ngosuku oluthile then mase bayahlala yini nencwadi
and then they discuss and then they write a letter back saying umhla ka-20 rights noma umhla ka-20 umhla ka-20 sibhizi khona sihlabile la ekhaya asenze kube umhla ka-29 yabo akwazi nje uma ngingabe ngisasho lutho ayihambe njengamanje umhla ka-20
sirang
and then ke nasekhaya akuthukwa mase befika bo it's something vele they have lindeled. So the next question boza yami ukuthi amyeni did they not have a problem ngokuqoshwa?
No. Ekhaya, okay. Nathi ekhaya saba nomhlangano nabakhongi bami.
Yes.
So ngababiza we had a meeting nabo bakhona imbuzo abayifuna ukuyibuza lethu le ntombazane usiyazi for iminyaka emingaki nanokuthi ngoba ke manje
awusitshela nje imibuzo abayibuzayo.
Okay. For status intombazane senjole na for iminyaka emingaki. Ngabatshena baba khona le kengele ya 2 months and then sebeyabuza ukuthi umazeni lo muntu lo senethi 2 months but it was like 4 to 5 years sikade sajolana. Secondly wenzani untombazane loyo ngisho ukuthi untombazane uyafunda untombazane ufundile untombazane she's a content creator nani ngelanguage abazi understand yabo and then ukuthi ukhona yini lo engabe siya lapha siyothuka sazi ukuthi wena lapha
kanti sesiyafihla idlazi
abuza ukhona wenzani ufuna ukuziveza
like
yawo so ngabatshela ukuthi hayi no akekho ke lo and also ngase ngabatshena ukuthi hayi ke ngosuku ke lelo likhulu
yes
kuyobe kuqoshwa ke because since umakoti umqophi she's a content creator ngokugcwele so everything eyenzakala sentimentally yena uthanda ukuyivideoizer eyibeke lapha for izizukulwane nezizukulwane sakhe for ingane zethu
kumina nje it's always about educational videos
yawo so ngabatshena and ke they didn't take that as bad as I thought ukuthi bazothi ayingeke but they said that ubaba omncane i-concern yakhe ukuthi mase siqoshwayo so udlalaphi ngoba yonke into iqoshwa dlala ku TV yawo mase siqoshwa ke So bedlala. So siqoshwa sibe sivela ku-TV same time. Yabo, so I had to explain to him ukuthi I know
It's
ba.
not live.
Ayikho live, isazo edit video iposteke ku YouTube abantu bofika sebeyibuka. So YouTube into enjengo Facebook ngathi yes, okuncane into kanjani. So abazange bebe nayo inkinga nale nkathi iqoshwa futhi babe concerned ukuthi what if labantu ke manje sebeqophana nezinkulumo ezenzakalayo nani ingxoxo phela khona izinto zemndeni esiphethayo ngabatshena ukuthi kube kwama bits and pieces ama moment nje lapho nalapho
hayi ukuthi bahleli guys baqopha wonke amalobola
cha khona imali ekhishwa nani
they even like lower ma sentimental moments like mhlawumbe bekhipha imali siyasho ukuthi uyahamba mfana uyohlala ngani
so kwakuyizinto ekwama bits and pieces so
also nathi ekhaya lami we had like a big conversation like a big meeting ibriefing yokugcina ke manje kuyatshela to extend mekuvula bevuka lababantu wena uzohamba esangweni uyohlala wenze yabo like my uncles are telling everyone and they also asked me very important questions and I think you should know about this nabo ke ngabacela ke uyabacela abantu abadala ubatshela ukuthi guys uzobe kuqoshwa cha uyabacela ngoba umuntu omdala engasho ukuthi no I want to sneeze babe
Simona yes yeah
thank you yeah and then uqoshwa ke ngabacela ke bavuma ke bayazi because nakumemulo wami beqoshwa khona lapho empheni thathathani sentimental sisho impepho bayishuza yabo hayi ukuthi yabo babe khona nathi sisho whatever yeah so my uncles were okay with that and they're so helpful shame when it comes to that ngiyabathanda kakhulu uncle if you're watching this I love you all of y'all and sakhuluma very important questions they were asking me about him I was saying izinto ezinkulu guys njengokuthi nje umekshaya mntanami ukhona umbhedo wakho la ekhaya yabo nje mfethu izinto ezinkulu guys they even asked me ukuthi hayi ke siyakuzwa ndodakazi uthi kuza abantu kusasa bathi baphethe into engakanani yabo just to have those questions with your uncles because we did have that question with umyeni ukuthi okay umyeni washo ukuthi this is my budget yabo nami ngahamba ngoceba ke ekhaya ngasho ngathi this is budget yamosheka yonke
yabona lapho I told him confidence
ngangazi ukuthi like he was telling me that ukuthi ngintshela ukuthi lento ayisho uma nombami banyuka kakhulu ngalento engangiyoyiceba so I hardly advise not for you to do it or lie to your uncles and ushimali encane kunaleyo because your uncles think methi mesho leyo mali shuthi
methi 3 rand
shuthi no 7 rand yabo so yeah it's one of those things yeah so the next question is how do you know you are ready to take the step of becoming someone's wife and someone's husband and how did the lobola change your relationship with umyeni wakho mina guys I was born to be a wife. Like I'm being for real. I'm being for real. Like I feel like I've never been a whore with my vagina. So Pozami, the next question is how did the lobola change your relationship with umyeni wakho?
Yes.
Pozami, ngicabanga ukuthi mina lento yamalobola ngingayifanisa njengebirthday. Yabo nje ibirthday. Ngathi ibirthday yakho iyaphela ibirthday ngakusasa sekolunye usuku. Iyaphela nje. But babe, iyaba khona ushintsho kodwa utheni ushintsho luba njani?
It's gradual kancane.
Hayi ngeke ukuthi namhlanje sengavuka sengikhwisha so nkosikazi ngifake iphini ifana nani like
it actually kicks in when you are alone and thinking about it so ukuthi
someone's wife
ama duties ami manje asethanda ukushintsha yabo so manje senginonkosikazi nale zinto ezincane for instance mawusifane ngemagengeni qala bengithuza ukumtshela or ngingamtsheli or ngimnyenyele or something since kahle ukwathile
yes anginyenyele bese ngilele ebusuku
but now sekumele ukuthi I'm letting her know but in a set of ngiyacela you understand
bese yasho nkosikazi sawuyila
mase yahamba ihambe zinjalo so izinto kanjalo ezincane ukuthi like you update now it's a must, you have to do it. Qala it was optional.
Nam ngicela ukusho something like it didn't change instantly, but like mina as the girlfriend, guys, I didn't even have to think of the next meal. Like I wake up, I sleep, I just leave. Then my boyfriend is gonna say, "Are you hungry, babe? What do you wanna eat?" Now ngiyakufaka lokho emqondweni wami ukuthi hayibo, umyeni wami uzodlani, yabo. Yabo kulanjiwe yabo. Mina ngiyacabanga like nesekusemqondweni wami, sesemqondweni kancane. Yabo nje namhlanje usungikhohliwe ukuthi kuyadliwa mina.
You understand?
Ngikhohliwe guys, and he came back with McDonald's. Yeah. And then someone asked ukuthi, how do you manage house chores? Speaking of that, as a young makoti.
Okay.
So, siyasizana like khaya shame. And ngiyafisa umyeni wami ukuthi lokho ungakuthathi inkosi yami uzwe abanye bethi kwashaqima. Bebeshintsha impilo yala ekhaya yokusizana. Yadlala. But like I really appreciate that from you. Like you don't just yekelela me yabo ukuthi ngenze zonke izinto. Like siyasizana, umunye bepheka, umunye bewasha izitsha, ngiwasha amabhodwe, umunye ufaka ingubo emshinini. I really appreciate the fact that we have a helper that comes now and then osizayo
to make the house
spotless, like
sparkling clean. And nanokuthi ke phela lento leyo to handle indaba ama chores, it also goes down to the both of you as abantu. Mina ngihlala isikhathi eside ngingedwa. I've never relied on anyone for anything. Isikhathi eside. So now ukuba khona kwakhe kancane ukuthi lokho engangenzela. Khona izinto that I know for effect ukuthi like njengokuyayina ngithanda ukuyayinela mina. Yabo? Anosifane ngineke impahla zami ngithanda ukuyinekela mina zami impahla. Because lo muntu uzodane ineke impahla ishwabani uzayineka zishawe yilanga ngithanda uzenzele izinto.
Guys, speaking of ukuyinelwa, noma ngamayinela kangaki kanjani? He still wants to iron it. Uyena uthanda ukuyayina. Uze athi khumula leso skip ngisayine mina. Kodwa we are working on that and he's going to teach me this technique. Naye uzo accept ukuthi mengipheka ukudla ngimphakele. Akamela sukuma ukufudumeza lapha. Uthi ukudla ufuna kungqonqa kusho unqika ukuthi kanje yabo sesikhuluma inkinga zale ekhaya. Focus. So the next question is, how did the negotiations go, and what is the most interesting part of the lobola process? Did you guys do anything differently or traditionally? And yeah, bafuna ukwazi nje into kanjalo ukuthi like what was the most sentimental part of ilobola, because they also mentioned into kanjalo. Kuwena nje so kanami kade kuyini?
Okay, kumina it was into ebalekile kakhulu ukuthi amevele isalikazi ekhaya.
Uyo?
Ngitshena isalikazi. That
was sekubuyiwe.
No. Uqala
Okay.
That was
part.
Yayibalekile ukuthi ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi but I might think ukuthi use right or the right ukuthi ngibe umkhonyana womuntu or right ngafuna ukuba umakoti wami. But what ukuthi izalikazi sine influence enkulu kubafana babo, kubantwana babo yabo. They only want what is best for them. So to get their approval from Mr. Gas, it was very important to me. And also, I came to Haiti in the 7th Lobola, just before Malobola. Mr. Gas sang visa. That's in Ghana. So, Nelula Lela, Ekaya Makaya, corners of Masak Sudexe, Sibi Gelapa, Babatalo Woods. Now, Mutana, Usea Hamba Manjana, Uland Mako, Sitalo Woods is into. Zikhanya and zikonde khambe kahle yabo khona belief leyo ukuthi izinto zonke mehamba kahle so le nto ingekho right ezizokumele ukuthi ihambe kahle.
Funny how ekhaya we thought of the opposite way. Ukuthi my uncle told me ukuthi Mandisa, if izinto zonke ihamba kahle umshado angeke guess what there were things kumina that didn't go well cabanga. And my uncle was like, bear that in mind. Ukuthi if kukhona izinto engahambi kahle, then
For
just
sure.
know ukuthi that is just
sign ukuthi
a sign
izoba
ukuthi yonke into izoba right.
So one thing.
Yeah.
Sathi nathi yaphosa izinto engahamba kahle. Sathi siphume ekhaya like after sesiphumile ekhaya sijoin uMain Road. Imoto yami gave us a sign ukuthi my bro, ama-brake akho they are finished. So then it's a sign ukuthi izinto ke thina samachita we are more attached to iy'moto zethu. So the moment imoto ayibhidani ifele nje, so khona izinto ezenzakalayo, then imoto masiya. Mhlawumbe amachita amanye can attest it. But this was also a sign for me ukuthi no chances are yonke into izoba grand.
Yeah.
So into kanjalo.
Hlulekile okubili.
Hayi.
Anyways, guys, yeah, we are having so much fun with the questionnaire. I hope you are also still having fun. Next question is, what would you say to a couple looking to take the relationship marriage, but finances are still struggling? Did you also face financial struggles? And how did you do it to prevent what?
Okay, so as it thought in ngikhuluma namajita ngilasi side labantu besifazane ngoba eshiso kade ngifile ipledge lokho ethi uzofika nini ekhaya wathi uzofika ekhaya uzofika nini ekhaya it's fine, just suck that pressure ingak break and do things ukuthi sengenzela because uhlezi ungibeke la, then ufanele isweke lo decision yakho ethathayo yabo ama-finances akho mosabona ukuthi awekho sharp yabo. My take will be ungamthatha umakoti nesikweletu. Understand? So because you're gonna live most of your life paying off lezo ikwenetu lezo, so like thatha umakoti is a very beautiful thing. So uzoyi associate wena nani nezikwenetu nani gcina kuzobringa more negative energy like high. So wena masu right noma esethi mina hayi sengizohamba ke manje ngoba ukho serious
mina loyo
ubalela akazi ukuthi wahamba kangaka esho ukuthi usala la lokhu uthakhuleka ngizofika noma ngathini ethi uthi nje khuleka ngizofika.
Yeah, also ukuhamba kwami, guys, it wasn't like me asking for amalobolo. Conversation mina ayikhumbula ifika lapho wena nje wangisukela wathi uzomlobola.
Yazi mina ukuthi isho ukuthini
guys, mina ngangithi ngoba ekhaya mehlelo nje kumcimbi delela ngalo lomfana lo udansa naye ko TikTok ethi sifuna inkomo yethu sifuna inkomo ngibuye ngitshele lo ngithi uyayilalela wena inkomo tell last month inkomo uthi uyayihlanganisa kanti imali le mali ehlanganisayo yabo. So I only wanted the mama's cow yabo,
which was gonna be yabo if
then wangisurprise yabo
ubo ngenza ngendlela
yabo thoba sayenza indlela yami azothola inkomo eyodwa nje
phela
umthula amehlo no Mrs. Becoming
nothing yabo. So but sithe ngayisho ukuthi mina i-pledge abazokunikeza ungathatha i-pledge from the outside decision yakho informed by imicabango yakho nokuyibuka kakhe ezithothi ukuthi hayi no mina sisibanibani okwasibanibani sengi-right manje ukuthi ngaletha umntwana womuntu ngimlethela ekhaya ngeke sihlupheke.
So we have another question that asks us about our rituals. Did we do any rituals? Before Bezekaya, they had to shisa impepo nanani. Tinaika, we couldn't shisa any impepo. What are you telling people in Sam? You're telling you don't even know. So what we did was we took izamba leza babe phethe like in cash.
Hey.
We took ezinye imali and then sayibeka emsamo zalala khona zashiselwa nje just ukuthi
nginele yonke la mali emsamo ne
oh my god I don't know what is he on about, but anyways guys, also just to give you tips on that, imali baby, the form, the questions you guys had to ask my family before knees. Oh
yes. Ekhaya ke wakhona imbuzo that they need to know, right? Because for starters uKeswa is not a very popular surname. So bacela ukuthi angibacelele kube ekhabo ukuthi babanikeze ithakazelo nezibongo zabo.
Yes.
Zonke, right? Secondly, it was about indaba yesikhathi. Ukuthi bafuna ukuthi kufike ekseni ngo5 nani or banasesikhathi sabo bona ukuthi hayi masekulesi isikhathi is fine, you can guys, just chill there for 5-10 minutes and then we get inside. And then the go imali. How do they want in the imali? Do they want it all in cash or yonke be transferred? What was their take? And they gave us their answer. And none man. Oh, when none would say like the imali roughly. Oh, what's bangadinga malini in total. Sekuthiwa ke manje sishaya zonke. Into engitshela no ukuthi don't take that as cast in stone. But then he basinikeza impendulo then masifika lapha phatha ama negotiations the numbers game. So whomever negotiates the best you know gets at that price. But when I got my price. That's my dondo.
Dodo guys. Ngithule ngithini. Lalela webhoza into engizokutshela yona ke as umuntu wesifazane. Awuhlangeni. It is a madoda's game. Ukuthi umalume kwasha kwacima umalume usezokonela akho malume uzokonela la. Akekho umalume uzokonela. Umalume what's best for you. So ungayigibele ekhanda njoba ngisho mina ukuthi umfana wafika. Babe, I wanna speak numbers just to be realistic. I'm gonna speak estimates.
That's fine.
Umfana mina wathi uphethe laba. Mina ngisho ekhaya ukuthi uphethe laba. Umalume mesebesho sebedlalela u100 no 8 range ka 100 no 8. Mina sengizothi umalume bangonela. Awuhlangene umuntu wesifazane awuhlangene. You don't even have to supposed to be knowing iprice yakho yelobola. Kushuka kanjalo mina ngafundiswa kanjalo because thina sinjalo singavuka ekuseni sithi hayi phela ngizokunika lo 40,000 wakho. Mase xatshana nani. Someone is asking how much CP range, how much of the lobola was.
It was ranging between
I don't know, babe. I don't know.
Asingayisho. Into enzozothi ngifake a value ekhanda la ukuthi ungasitsheli ngonkosikazi weqobo zemali engaka. Understand?
Oh, kiss me.
So, but it was formality kumele senze for it.
Yeah, guys, I feel like kuya ngokuthi ngubani. Like noma imalini basically like adults nawe buza phela kini ukuthi ngicabanga malume imalini engasinjabulizwe uyabona like phela uyathola imbuzi komalume bakho uhambise kamfana nomfane manje waba phela awusho bayinjani bayini kodwa uma khona into osifanele yona sahambisa it did help because it's not like baqala nje bakhuluma imali bethuke bonke like they had an idea of the sums no malume bami had the idea of how much they had.
Another thing le ebamnandi webhayisi khuluma indaba yembuzi if you guys imbuzi as in like imbuzi quotes the memorandum imbuzi lo
imbuzi okay.
Yes. So the best part is what I can say about these money ezincane zo esangweni nani yonke lonto before you talk numbers about indaba yemali.
It's so nice knowing exactly what to bring. Yes.
Akwazi umndeni ukuthi okay thina sifuna imali engaka for isamba sesiphelele singaka. You understand?
Just
ungathi makufika lapha kuthiwa imali ilentuzana iyehla mthini or ingaqhamazi 10,000 usukuthatha ama 10,000 manje better ngeke sikhulume.
So ladies, please go get those goats. Go get those memos. Ask your uncles, ask your mothers, ask whoever, ask your dad, because no baba penani.
Manje unenkinga nalokho. Bathakahlukile. Ayibonisa la.
Yes, Dad. Do you plan on doing a white wedding, small wedding, or a big wedding? What is next? So kulandelayo guys. Sizozala ingane. Guys, we are not pregnant, by the way. We got the question a lot. We're not pregnant, but I'm answering another question now.
It's fine. So, what is next? The next thing we will process is for census members, and the new members so it's gonna give us more information as to inini la khona abakaMandisa abangasinikeza khona uMandisa kwisandla somshado ezilakidini somshado.
So remember, so yini basically, it's like you guys are gifting my family.
Yes.
And just getting to know each other. It's a get to know each other.
Yeah,
the mothers are meeting the other mothers. And it's gonna be a beautiful family, a beautiful ceremony.
Yeah.
Then right after that, we're gonna have to do umbondo, us doing the same thing back to family again. And then lastly, I'm gonna say lastly because we are more of the traditional lovers in this family. We're gonna have like a big
traditional
wedding. It's a udwendwe. Yeah, Umfana knows the word. Yeah, we're gonna do that udwendwe. But talking about the white wedding, we asikazi, we don't know. But abanye abantu bathi anishadanga mengaka umakoti ngagqinga ngomhlophe or
but it's gonna depend. It doesn't matter what's happening.
And definitely that's just gonna be very small, shame.
Yeah, so it's gonna depend. Khona nembuzo yathi uthi amabhoza azomenywa yini ku
kuyizinto
amabhoza we can remember them on umshado traditional.
Yeah.
They can come as many as they want.
Kodwa kwi-white wedding, guys, mhlawumbe nje kuyobe ma
10 kind of Chinese.
No, very small,
very
2020.
Yeah, so
we don't want a big wedding, and the wedding is ifuna nje kube mnandi.
Yeah, it's gonna be a small white wedding, my sister said, which is sense. But then ngingaphatheka kabi mangabe nyonga ngiphatheka
ngoba nizobe nikhona kwi-vlog niyazi nani. Also,
the best thing you can
okay.
do for us,
yes,
maningawathola ama-invites ukuthi nisiphekise
hawu siyacela mabhoza, siyacela hawu ama-rice ama-butternut phekisa nithina mabhoza
umvelo omncane
wasiphekisa
usesiphekise in advance. What he said to me as a congratulation, a message, he said,
oh my God,
ngizophekisa nge-cold room eyodwa maswenza members for free.
Shut up!
So we already have someone phekising us. Yeah, also we already have someone who's phekising.
Shout out. Siyabonga guys. Kwande guys, nisiphekiseke. Sesizoyigoqa manje sinomnyeni wami. So guys, these are our last 6 questions. Oh, so babuza lana ukuthi what was your favorite parts of the Lobola Day, Boza? Definitely my brother. Sebememeza abakhongi. I felt like bamemeze kancane ngangifuna bememeze isikhathi eside ngibezwe. Bethi no Zulu.
Like
no, like I didn't want my brother getting imali eningi. That gave me anxiety. But like I wanted the Wakongis who kept on saying lento babeyisho yayingichaza, and that made me feel some type of way. But ngiyayibona iphathi lesi sifika nale impahla zeyingubo. Sebenzo malume. Sebengikhombile bangekhetha. Noma ngabe sengimtshelile lo brothers ukuthi ngigqoke ingubo pink, akabatshela ngobhuti bakhe, obhuti bakhe wengasasiboni lapha bese ngifana no G.
It's part of family.
Lalelani
abayibona.
Bangibula. Athiwa dodakazi. Uyabazi labantu. Yabona leyo part. Ngathi yebo ngiyabazi. Yabona nje that just gave me that ring. Yes, someone asked ukuthi they saw a lot of content. Yabona nje ukuthi yonke into kwakuyi content na content. Cha kwangayona yonke into content. Like there are parts where everything felt very like I felt I was there. I enjoyed my Lobola celebration. Sayigoqa sacula yabo sengihambisa i-tray umnyeni wami engasemuhle. That part sengihambisa ubasket ikini sengiba bejabula.
Mina kanjani?
Ungasemuhle kade omuhle. Lalela gazi ngiqhawulo baba bakhe bengiqhawulisa bengibithisa lo baba Zondi lo. Imyonglo engishakana ingcekeza ngiphila ngengubo lapho ungaboni abantu bami bejabula ma aunts lo wesiqoka ase umnyeni banika imali Guys, khona le party lesa sicula ingoma, a family song yasesontweni. So that song, basically we sing that song every time when someone passes away and they go down. Yabo kini dlala insimbi mase shona umuntu thina ekhaya sicula leya ngoma leya egodini yabo kucula leyo ngoma. So even when we are happy, like we sing that song, like it just yabo hayi ke yabo sesiyikhoqa sesithi zazi ebantwaneni afikapi says I was actually a party where I called all my friends and got their reaction, and ngase senza i-party speech say after party umfana sponsored by umyeni, obviously was sponsor Richard Esasa Ncebeleka. Abanye babengakwazi ukuza ngifuna ukukhipha amabhoza kule ngqondo lezi amabhoza ibuza balobe ngibuza basho they're saying people's names, they dropping people's name. By the way, I have to clarify this. Yabo umuntu usiclarify kodwa ngazosilona guys, umnganami ulangelihle angimfonela ngalela langa Nkosi yami, ngimfonelanga angimfonela but umnganami
kukhona umcimbi ongawe like ezinye zezinto ziyadlula ucabanga lento phambi kwamehlo at that particular time, so you can't have everyone there and there. Omunye umuntu athi mina ngimenyanga ngani.
Also guys, ngangitsheliwe ekhaya kuthiwa ngabatshela abangani, so noma sengibatshela konke sekuyi-excitement nje laphayana, abanye ngaze ngabapostele egruphini Nkosi yami. Moving on to the next question, how did you manage keeping your virginity while you were dating umfana? So umfana, like I said, wangithola ebutombini bami, and what I can say is that he played his cards so well, guys. Like umfana, oh, sorry,
yeah, it's fine.
But he kept it cool, guys. Like he wasn't pushy. He didn't want it. At some point, I was like, he just was like, because the first time we met, I kept on. From the first day we met.
So you remember, as nuts as a machitana, what I can say is you don't have to rush into it, because once it's a and you just have to be sure what say, oh well, because remember there will be attachment issues. This person will be attached to when, yeah. So love or say mina. You don't have to be sure now some sort of good.
And also do mention ukuthi vele uqala ukuyihlekiniza. Oyiqalayo nje fresh ungakazi thinta. So nawe wawusaba nalokho ukuthi yo lo muntu ngithemba naye.
Yes, exactly ukuthi ayibo phela
ngeke ngithathe nje.
You understand? So the muntu sana hlangana naye manje nani, you just have to be a little bit smart about it.
He was very patient with the shame. At some point, kabanga ngiyamposta siyadansa ama-challenges, and I went kaShembe nabangani bami ePleni siyohlolwa. And imagine that into engingiyithanda ukuthi abangani bakho bayazi ukuthi nami ngintombi, hayi ukuthi ama-out amhleke ethi adawushayi lapha yabo nje. They were all proud. Angikaze mina ngibe la ku-internet ngithi mina story time uhanga angiyenzi leyo nto, because mina I am for virginity and ngiyapromote ngithi mina zigcine yabona nje una 18 lento icabangayo leyo ocabangayo lapha eUJ ungase ngakhetha iUJ kuba ngathi kujina ke manje cha uJay una 21, she's turning 21 and usayibambile sanjalo. Lalelani ungayenzi lento icabangayo, ngiyakutshela ke mina ungayenzi, and if usuyenzile it's fine.
Ngafiki uqamba manje ekhaya ukuthi mina ngisalazi ukuthi wakutest manje.
I don't know about that. I want to lobola my girlfriend in due time, but I'm not sure of how much I am supposed to save up or expected to pay. Okay, please help.
Okay. So what I can say is, if you can save at least 35 to 40, That's a good start. Bangahamba bakho bekubuyele nomakoti. Showcase. Ungayishiya inkomo ezimbili lapho, ungayishiya inkomo ezintathu depending on the price. Ungayikhokha lezinye izinto, ungawakhoka ama preparations. So from 35 to 40 depending nanokuthi ke kama code. Wona bakanjani ukuthi bafuna ukuthi ungene kangakanani emaphaketheni. Ungabazela strategy ukuthi uzocela. And then masubona amandla sekhona ukuthi hayi no man ezinye inkomo lezi ngayishiya ukuthi ama price ala. But 35 to 40 definitely.
Usihlebele phela nokho kamani.
Hayibo. Uyibu. Ukukala iphakethe nani?
Range.
Ayasela usala ke seyitshena kanje kanti wakho imandlana ngithanda they're going to put the price on you. I don't want that. I don't want that. No.
Okay. When are you planning on having a baby with Umyeni? When are you planning on starting a family? That is the most frequently asked question.
Sale ukuthi medical aid akhivuso masaqala ngiyadla. Yeah, no, I'm just kidding.
Guys, I'm not the one who is medical aid is going.
Vula ukuthi ngifuthe lensaqala.
Senziwa sekindwele edifuthi.
Ngiyadala nami.
Twaslinda 10 days mase silinda ngazo omunye futhi 30 days.
Babezela ke lento ngiyidlalela.
Twaslinda 9 months.
No, it's not 9 months, it's 3 months. But we are not planning it we are not planning on having it. Manje. Because,
but we will have it.
Yes, because sisafanele ukuthi njani eqedele esikoleni, there's a whole lot of things she wants to do first.
So guys, I am a qualified software developer who's currently still studying, and then I'll graduate. Then after that, so this is sengiba qualification, and then ngithatha omunye umkhakha lo uzokusiphilisa mina nomndeni wami. Yeah. So we are planning on having umndeni, usuqala umndeni. And how many kids do we want to have? Guys, I was hoping he's gonna say 6, but I'll take the 4. Like, we want to have kids. Siyakholelwa kuyingane iy'ngane ayindize iy'ngane. Guys, yini sesitopha ukuthi singabi ney'ngane manje.
Sino-crickets. Iy'ngane azikho.
Sinesibhamu, sinomuzi, sinezindlu, siney'moto. Shotgun also. Someone asked, when am I getting my ring? Baby, cha, uphendula umbuzo.
Phela buka. Ngeke ngize ngisho i-date. But the whole proposal thing is more kwisintu suke kuyiyona le yamalobolo nani. So mase ubudlelwane sekuqinileke ngingayenza njani ke seningayifaka iring sengiyifaka nemiring angithi abantu abaningi bajala ukuyiqondanisa
no members.
Guys,
I'm gonna get my ring go members. I'm gonna get my ring go members. I'm gonna get my ring go members. So, but I wouldn't mind getting it. But babe, like, I don't want you to jela the ring.
So yenza kahle.
Surprise, ngibe wow.
Surprise ngizowawisa.
Ungivala amehlo babe uthi what will you marry me?
And that's another part. One day ngisaba kanjalo ukuthi will you marry me?
Baby, you're gonna figure that one out. Mina angisahlangene but mina iring yami angifuni nje ifike ngebhokisi kuthiwa
ngizofika nazo.
Ngifuna ngazi ifike ngazi mhlawumbe ngithi ngisazi ikhekhe restaurant. Awu yinayo yethu.
Uzothini masuyigwini?
I don't know but like yeah, I can't wait to have a ring, but I'm telling manje ngoba sesikhulumile conversation. Sasa ngiyakwazi phela wena. Ngiyakwazi phela.
Wasefuna ngezinto zenza uphepha.
Ngiyakwazi phela sasa uzonika ke.
Ngasidla ikabishi ekhaya.
Sidla amakabishi guys. What would you do? Shoot me ama questions lesibuza la. What would you do if umkhwenyana says he wants his tail? Uphendula kanjani?
What to do if umkhwenyana etshela wena umkhwenyana ukuthi mina
okay, alright. Baby. Ngithi mina angazi wena do you want to step? Cha, umkhwenyana do you want to step? Watshikiza manje. Hlala kahle.
Senza umuzo ngawe kodwa silebiza nami.
Ngifuna ukuzwa nami ngazi ngikubuza.
Indaba yesithembu. Okay, anginayo imali isithembu. Isithembu sidinga imali. Anginayo. So isithembu
shuthi unemali musukutshikiza
ngeke
Hawu,
Yeah.
phendula umbuzo.
Okuthini umbuzo?
Isithembu.
Ngithe cha nje na.
Manje ukuthi unayo imali uzoba naso isithembu.
Cha, angisifela anginayo imali. Anginayo, isembu nje sibe khona.
Unamanga lo unayo imali.
Nayo,
Would you ever consider that?
Okay, isembu wasichaza kamnandi uBiggs. Wathi sometimes siba khona because there's a necessity ukuthi uyokhuliswa omunye umndeni emakhaya. Umuzi usuyafa kusekho umuntu ekhaya, umuntu obheka umuzi, so that is another necessity for isithembu. So here ngumuntu ohlalele edolobheni, sinekhaya kagogo, umuzi awufi, bakhona umakoti ekhaya, zikhona umuzi awufi, bakhona umakoti ekhaya, zikhona izingane siphelele, yabo. So ukuthi mina ngenze isithembu kuzobe isani sizongisiza yikuphi la songisiza khona kahle, yabo. Because there must be in-need ngampela. Hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngithanda ukuthi ngibe nezintombi eziningi nani, yabo. Ukusoka manje sengitheni kanti asisekho isoka ngisasicuphi manje, sengithathile. So the answer is no. Isithembu angisidingi, angisifuni, anginayo nemali isithembu.
This is just a pop-up question. Name 5 things that you guys love about each other. Khona ibhoza nje isho kanjalo. Ngiyazi ayihlangene namalobolo.
Ayangithikhaya lento ukuthi
Okay, I'll say one thing, you say one. Kanjalo.
I'm confused, yeah. Asish, what's that?
Mina, Nyirani,
Yes.
ngiyathanda the way you're so considerate ngakhona, like uyacabangelana, and not ukuthi uyacabangelana nje, uyangicabangela mina. Mina nje phela ngi-first born daughter, ngazi ukuthi nje mina nje hlezi ngicabangela abantu phansi wena uyangicabangela. I like that.
Okay. Into enhle leyo. I like indlela esicomplimentana ngayo. I know the answer is very broad, but ngizobreak it down. Indlela esicomplimentana ngayo. Ne? Kwenza sibone. I'm a very thoughtful and considerate person. Let's say we go to a restaurant. If mina order something and banezinto wrong, mina ngeke ngize ngisho. Nami ngisho. Uzothi hey uthe amalenduzana anyanisa akawuthandi. Ngicela ukhishwe. Mina like no uzosele sengudla anyanisi, but she's going to say she's robust anyway. Ukuthi sisesicela
You mean robust?
sisicela lokho, sifuna lokho. So mina I'm very I don't want to inconvenience them anyway, but that's how we compliment each other. Amase nobabili senibhajela amakhaya. Ngeke uze kuloko ngoba nobabili mase ni soft. Uyozudle isteak vegan. Hayi bazothini udle so.
I like the fact that you are a very good communicator. Not just in communicating with me only, but like in communicating with abantu. You are able to read a room. Uyazi ukuthi meko abantu besonto labo ngikhuluma kanjani nabo, meko abantu abadala, ngigisa kwamanika. Like uyafitha emanigini ekhuluma isiNgisi. Athi yazinaye bange. Like uyakwazi ukumfaka out elokishini afithe, and the fact that yabo i-communication yakho insombi kakhona ukwazi no negotiator kanti mina no sales, like I learned so much through you. Nokuba a good communicator kwakho. And you are able to xazulula inkinga, like ama arguments yeah.
Another thing mina ngithanda ngomngane ne. Ukuthi yazi she has a very positive learning spirit, in a sense of ukuthi if she does atenze video bamqwaxa ukuthi uphake ngambi wala kakusasa she did another video sayithathe ama those constructive criticism into action. So that's how she is. There's a whole lot kade engazazi or kade ngajwayele in our relationship, and then mina ngikona not ukuthi ngiyamcontroller in a way, but I can see a spirit ukuthi lo muntu ufuna ukufunda, not ukuthi ngithakenza lento eshow me. So that creates a huge room for improvement. So you can still get more and more of it. The spirit side.
That is so nice. Ngiyafundisa wonke indawo ke bafazi, ekishini, etoilet, ekamereni.
I see. This is the last one.
But if you want to stop with number 3, then it's fine. I like that uyalalela. Yazi uyalalela. Avuwenza ngathi awulaleli wena, awulaleli, azi wena awulaleli. Kodwa uyalalela, kodwa hayi ngalesikhathi bese ufuna elalele ngaso. Yabo ngalesi mumtshela manje ukuthi ungayenza into uzothi hayi khandi qinile. Kodwa uyalalela. Example, mhlawumbe ngizokutshela njengoba esikhulumele indaba ye-ring, ngizombona ke kusasa. But like, yeah, you do listen. Like you take notes. Yabo ngathi mina khona enye into even abangani bami sebecabanga ukuthi nje mina bese bengicele ama tips bamngani wenza ngani ngoba guys yabo if I tell them something mhlawumbe abangani bami ngisho nje mhlawumbe sihleba ngaye ngisho ngithi yabo into ukuthi angithandi ngayo ilali ngakuyena leyo nto hayi ukuthi usuke ngimhleba le ngiyabuya ngiyamtshela ngithi into ukuthi uzoyenza kangcono leyo nto example isoka lami mina guys angicabanga nje ungiphi imali mina nje ngihlezi ngizenzela ilale ngakuyena wena nje ungiphi imali guys as abantu besifazana asifuni ukuthi ungiphi imali ngifuna umuntu engicabanga ngithi mina ngiyowenza ikhanda ngiyowenza inzipho I'm going for shopping today yazi I'm buying an iPhone cabanga phela nawe ukuthi hawu mhlawumbe yaze ngajabulela bengase ngithi 10 20 yabo bengase ngithi nje
phela imali imali yamalobolayo
ngiyasho nje yabo ecabange uvele ngicabange yabo nje wamtshela kanye into usengipha njalo imali angisamtsheli useyangipha labangani bamsebenzisi kanti wathini yeah, I really like that. Like money makes women happy.
You know, I ain't finding anything.
What are you keeping on important?
I'm finding anything.
Oh, someone asked to put some fun in ngaphandle. Ndula phela nawe saphikisa. Thiwa ufana unayo ingane ngaphandle.
Oh, I know.
Akanayo guys. Naye ngamthola nje.
Asinangani.
Amthola nje.
Asinangani. Okay, asiqhubeke. So another thing, ne?
Is this the last one? Okay.
This is the last one. Another thing ngithanda. Mina indaba ze romantic nalezinye izinto. But into engithanda ngayo ukuthi when she puts her money into something, definitely uzoyenza uzoyithola nami. So umuntu kanjalo ukuthi nami like izona zinto like ama qualities that ngishada ngawo ukuthi for instance indaba vision board nabe ngiyazi vision board nangikholela into uzoma vision board ihlala la ekhanda baba vision board imalo ukuthi
usala bese ngimdaza benesilahla
awusala mase ngimdala understand so yena she tells me ukuthi ikhona into umqondo nakho put it there, visualize and look at it.
Every single day.
Ngibe like embarrassed mama phupha marona to share my dreams and phone is it's fine. Awakho amaphupho wena ufane kuwafeza like upon put your mind into something and chances are God is gonna listen and God is gonna provide.
Hey, guys, this is what Mfana means. This is our vision board. We did this last year, ngomhlaka 3 January. We booked a hotel and then we printed out these pictures. We made them. Don't mind the day empty. This is how big I dream. This is my car. I drive this car, guys. I drive this car. I got this car. Like nje ngiyakholela buka anginjani clear skin nginaso buka kanginjani guys niyalikhumbula usizo lami mina niyalazi like niyafunda ngiyagraduate 100k guys buka ukuthi sihlele kwama subscribers amangaki manje ku YouTube like uNkulunkulu mkhulu ivision board inkulu guys we were supposed to go to Zanzibar this year but we couldn't go eZanzibar babelo bekwazana. So nje ibhukiwe vacation mina noNkulunkulu promised sengisondelene na umjimo nje sazobele ngisebenzela but we're going to do other ones for 2026. Let's allow back
ngithande ukuthi
ngizoyithi naye umfana naye eyakhe inezinye izinto eziningi engathanda ukuthi ivezwe but these are some of the things that he was able to achieve this year. Uyabona ukuthi incwadi lana. Niyabona ukuthi umuzi wakhe lona ingane zakhe lezi nonkosikazi wakhe. Nonkosikazi wakhe niyabona? Ngizothi kanje. Niyabona ukuthi M4 le. Akayithanga?
Amusukwachoma.
Ngithi mina buka. Uthina lapha eDubai. Dubai. Here we come. Habibi my baby.
I mean, this is not supposed to be
like as told.
Into bengisho mina ukuthi my take was umfundisi into ethi kanje like vision whatsoever my dreams akho being there and wabona and actually taking an action kuona because thina zama ezotsotsi in most cases siyakholela kwimlingo in a sense of ngokuthenga ngifaka 200 akuphetha way kuphume no2 million ngithenga M4 ayisebenzi kanjalo it's work somehow
put some work in
so
it.
but you need to actually usebenze and ubone ukuthi amaphupho akho nawe angahamba ifike phi yabo because there's a whole lot of things some of the things azange kwazi achieve it's fine but it is your dream the dream will keep on living alifi iphupho
ungakamnikazi
alifi iphupho umnikazi esaphila so it's something like that angifundise yona so sisiyavala.
Siyabonga kakhulu Bhoza yami for ukubuka until the very end. We really appreciate you and we are supporter wena oletha ukudla. Afula la kaZondi siyabonga sekuthanda and I cannot wait to see you on the next video. Sitshela ukuthi how did you find this video? Kulungile ke. Bye. Sizobona kwi vlog elandelayo or i video.
Bye bye.